Alright. So that's pretty much it. I got on the internet and I looked up the sound effect and it was pretty cool actually. You want to hear it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
It's powerful.
Yeah, I know. Got it for free. Really good. Here, you want to hear it again?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
It's good.
Yeah, man, I know. Hey, Jess, you remember that one time we did that one thing? Well, Jesse, it turns out that one thing had a dong.
Oh.
Yeah. Good thing that was all in the past. But anyway, like I was saying, I was at Food Lion. I bought some bananas. $14.99.
$14.99?
Yes! $14.99. I was lucky. Not that much though. For I had herpes. Herpes!
Hello?
Who is that?
What? Aunt? You walked to Ingles for an energy drink?
That was a close one, Jesse. We almost died.
Or did we?
I don't know. Oh my god, my air freshener! Oh, what happened to it?
Polar bears came in here, sucked my balls, and then ripped it apart.
You gotta be sucking my butt. You mean to tell me polar bears came in here and ate my air freshener? Well, slap my butt and call me Sally. I gotta find those polar. Oh god, it doesn't even smell fresh anymore. I paid $1.25 for this.
Well, suckle on my tots. $1?
And 25 cents.
Jesus.
And Jesse, that ain't the worst of it. There was also tax. But that's alright. We're men here. We have jobs. We can always find more money. Honey. What? How did this get in here, Jesse? And why is it unopened? These stay in the fridge.
Whoa! I forgot I grabbed it.
What? What have I told you about unfinished sodas? You drink them all. Now it's hot. Now the children in Africa are gonna starve. I knew you were Asian. Back in 1946. You were born 10 years after me. 19. 17. And what I do have to say about that is, you're Asian. Whether you want to be or not.
These Mike and Ike's are tasty.
Jesse, no! You forgot. You're allergic to Mike and Ike's. We have to get you to a hospital. Before you die of cancer.
No, these taste pretty good. I don't know about it.
Like a great man once said, hermaphrodites are men too. So we need to get you to a hospital. Before your dong falls off.
My dong?
And your balls.
Why does that sound effect keep going off?
You know what? I have no clue. Let's go order a pizza. A pizza?